Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In this session, we're going to talk about how to use the dynamic management views in the tabular model. Okay, so there are a lot of dynamic management views are available in the tabular model, which will help to fetch the metadata of your tabular cube, and also you can track your entire tabular cube behavior, like how healthy is your tabular cube. Not only tabular cube, so you can use those some of the DMUs commonly for the MOLAB cube as well as the tabular cube, where it will where you can identify that how much is your memory usage, what are the active sessions, what are the logs are happen to your cube analysis service engine, and also you can fetch what are the metadata of the each dimension, each measure, each calculated members, all those metadata information that you can fetch using the dynamic management views. So dynamic management views are very handy and helpful when you're especially preparing the cube documentation. So in my other video, I only talked about dynamic management views only with respect to the MOLAB cube, but in here we primarily focus on the tabular cube. Then we commonly talked about the DMUs commonly available between the tabular cube as well as the MOLAB cube. Okay, so let's get into the details on the tabular cube side. So here my this is my customer dimension. So usually whenever I want to fetch the data, I simply write evaluate customer dimension. So where I get the all the columns and their respective values, I'll fetch it. But if I want to see what is the data type and what is the each column properties, then I need to use the dynamic management views. So here some of the dynamic management views where I can write select star from, right? So the dynamic management views works simply like how you write the select statement. So now here select star from, and then so we need to use the system schema, that is our system schema dollar system. Okay, and then it start with TM. Okay, so after system, if anything start with TM, that particular DM view is belongs to the tabular model, and it's only works in the tabular model. It won't work in the MOLAB. Okay, so now TM schema underscore tables. Now if I execute this, then I'll get all list of the tables are available in that particular tabular cube model. So here I have totally 7 dimensions are available. Okay, now I want to fetch the structure of my customer dimension, where the customer dimension ID is 10. Okay, now I write what I do to fetch the columns. We need to use one more DM view, which is nothing but schema underscore columns, where my table ID equals to 10. Okay, so now if I execute this, now I'll get the all columns are available in that particular customer dimension. So similarly, you can give any table ID, which are the table ID structure, the metadata you would like to see. You can pass that table ID here. You have a table ID on the extreme left under the ID column. Take that value and pass it in the second query. So where you get the structure of the particular table. Okay, now I'm again doing the, I want to see the structure of product table. I passed my table ID is 19. Now I'll get all the columns are available in this particular product dimension. Okay, similarly, if you want to fetch which are the measures are available in the tabular model, you can write same, everything is same. In the end, after underscore, I put it measures. That's all. So now I get the only measures and their format string, all those properties, right, that we see in the cube, all those properties will be appearing here. Okay, so this is how the DM views more handy. There are a lot of DMEs are available in the both the tabular cube as well as the MOLAB cube. So here is the link. I'll share this link in my description. You can go through this link and explore all these, DM views. So wherever the DM views start with TM, those DM views belongs to the tabular model. And wherever you see the DB start with DB, those DM views belongs to the both tabular cube as well as the MOLAB cube. That means they will work in the both windows. Okay, so mainly the DB and discovery, they more use for the tracking the health of SQL Server analysis engine. Okay, and then there are some DM views start with MD, so they are belongs to the multi-dimensional. Okay, so this is about data management views, where you can easily fetch your metadata of the particular cube, or you can fetch the health condition of your analysis service. Okay, so in case while you are exploring these additional DM views, if at all you face any problem, please let me know. Please share your comment. Message me in the comment section so that I will go through it and see why it's not working for you and what is the limitations and all. I'll share in the a separate video, or I can post the corrected statement within the comment section. Okay, so with that, that's all from my end, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.